In this video, I'm going to talk about cash versus accrual basis accounting. These are two methods of recording transactions in accounting, and a company will have to use one or the other for their tax return. Under cash basis, revenues would be recognized when the cash is received, and expenses would be recognized when the cash is paid. Under accrual basis, revenues or income would be recognized when earned. Typically, this is triggered by selling a product, delivering a product, or performing a service for a customer. And then expenses are recognized when incurred, and incurred simply means the company is liable for it or owes it. Let's look at these examples with some visual pictures. In this example, this person on the left is receiving a vendor bill, and this person on the right is paying a vendor bill. Under cash basis, expenses would be recognized when the bill is paid, whereas accrual basis, the expense would be recognized when the bill is received and the money is owed. So over here. Under cash basis, it would be recognized over here on the right when the vendor bill is paid, and accrual basis, it would be recognized when they receive the bill and the money is owed. Okay, let's look at another example. Over here, they sell a product or service to a customer on the left, and then over here on the right, they receive a payment from the customer. Under cash basis, the revenue is recognized when the payment is received. And under accrual basis, the revenue is recognized when the product or service is sold. So over here on the right, revenue would be recognized under cash basis, and on the left, revenue would be recognized for accrual basis. And it's important to point out that sometimes the revenue or expense is recognized at the same time under both methods. For example, if the business has a business meal, they go out to a restaurant, they pay for the meal, the event of the expense happens at the same time as the actual payment. So it doesn't matter whether you're using cash or accrual basis accounting, the event and payment are happening at the same time anyway. So you would recognize the expense at the same time. If supplies are purchased in the store, the event of purchasing the supplies, the expense of the supplies is happening at the same time as the payment for the supplies. So under both systems, you would recognize the expense at the same time. And then another example, if a customer purchases an item in the store and pays immediately, the revenue of the sale would happen at the same time as the payment. So both systems would show the event and payment at the same time. I'm here in reports in the QuickBooks sample company, and I just want to show you how cash versus accrual basis would look in here. So let's go to the profit and loss, and I'm going to go to this month. Now you can see that I have this design income here, and this was an invoice that I created on February 2nd. Let me click on it. And I posted the payment on February 20th. Okay, so we're going to look at that. And we're also, let me go back, and we're also going to look at this equipment rental expense. This was a vendor bill I created with a date of February 3rd, and I created the payment on February 20th. So keep those two dates in mind as I look at this report. So both of those, the vendor bill and the customer invoice, were created on February 3rd. So let's look at February 3rd first. Okay, so under accrual basis, it shows both the income and the expense, even though money has not been exchanged for either one of those yet, not until the 20th of February. And then let's look under cash basis. And now under cash basis, neither one of those items show up on February 3rd, because the money hasn't been received or paid yet. Okay, let's go to February 20th now, when the money was exchanged for both of those transactions. If I use cash basis, you'll see both of those items here under income and expenses. But if I look at accrual basis, nothing shows up because those items were posted on February 3rd. So under cash basis, it will recognize the income and expense on the day it was paid. So here on the 20th, and then under accrual basis, it will recognize the items on the date you create the invoice and vendor bill. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thank you for watching.